morning, welcome to my channel. After spending an hour's quality time at Nara Park, we headed for Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine, Kyoto, in the bus arranged by Klook Travels. Nestled at the base of Mount Inari, Fushimi Inari Taisha is Kyoto's most iconic Shinto shrine, famous for its thousands of vibrant vermilion torii. Along the trail, you'll encounter fox statues, believed to be Inari's messenger. Just outside the iconic Fushimi Inari Taisha, a vibrant street lined with local eateries and food stalls awaits hungry visitors. As you stroll through the area, you'll be tempted by the aroma of freshly grilled yakitori, skewered and seasoned to perfection. If you're in the mood for a snack, pick up some crispy tempura, matcha flavored treats, or taiyaki, a fish-shaped pastry filled with sweet red bean paste. The variety of flavors and aromas make this area a paradise for food lovers, offering a delicious way to end your visit to Fushimi Inari Taisha. Kinkaku-ji, also known as the Golden Pavilion, is one of Kyoto's most famous landmarks. Originally built in 1397 as a retirement villa for the shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, it was later converted into a Zen Buddhist temple. The top two floors of the pavilion are covered in brilliant gold leaf, reflecting beautifully in the surrounding pond, creating a picture-perfect scene in every season. The garden around the temple is a prime example of Japanese landscaping designed to harmonize with the architecture and natural surroundings. Kinkaku-ji symbolizes the harmony between nature and human craftsmanship, making it a must-visit destination for history buffs and nature lovers alike. The Arashiyama bamboo forest, located in Kyoto's serene Arashiyama district, is a breathtaking natural wonder. Towering bamboo stalks stretch high into the sky, creating a tranquil and otherworldly atmosphere. As the sunlight filters through the dense bamboo, it casts mesmerizing patterns of light and shadow, making it a paradise for photographers and nature lovers. After an enriching exploration of Kyoto and its charming surroundings, we returned to our hotel to unwind and enjoyed a delightful dinner at a nearby restaurant. The next morning, filled with excitement, we headed to the station to board the iconic bullet train, renowned as Japan's fastest mode of travel. As we sped through the picturesque landscape, we were lucky to catch a breathtaking glimpse of the majestic Mount Fuji, a sight that left us in awe. Upon reaching Tokyo Station, we quickly engaged a local taxi that whisked us away to Narita International Airport. There we indulged in a variety of authentic Japanese delicacies, savoring the flavors that Japan is celebrated for. With hearts full of cherished memories and a deep appreciation for Japan's culture and beauty, we boarded our flight back to India, bringing home unforgettable moments from our incredible journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comments under comment section. Subscribe to my channel, forward to your friends, and do not forget to press like and notification buttons.